Good afternoon, dear students. Okay, so I am going to start a very good, interesting, and easy topic for first year commerce students. Yes, it is very easy to get good score in this question. This we can say that it is very dead easy question. Yes, can you guess what is that? Yes, that is a subsidiary books. Subsidiary books, just following certain blind principles we can attempt this question. Okay, so it is also asked for 5 marks in the final examination. Okay, subsidiary books is an additional, yes, we can call it as a additional journal, right? It is very useful, yes, while preparing more and to avoid more entries. Okay, right. So in this year we'll learn about just 4 subsidiary books. Those are, the first one, purchase book. Second one, purchase returns book. Purchase returns book. And third one, sales book. And fourth one, sales returns book. So these are the 4 subsidiary books we'll prepare in our as our part of curriculum. Okay, this question is asked for 5 marks, and in the examination, yes, asked to prepare, will ask to prepare only 2, purchase book and purchase returns book, or sales book and sales return book. Okay, so what are the principles considered to be considered while preparing subsidiary books? First I will explain the principles to prepare subsidiary books. Okay, in these subsidiary books we record only, yes, credit transactions. So we record credit transactions, means the transactions linked with the persons. Okay, example, purchased goods from Anil for rupees 10,000, purchased goods from Rajesh for rupees 5,000, like that. Okay, so that type of transactions only to be recorded in this book. Okay, and the second one, cash transactions. Yes, no need to record the cash transaction. And the third one, yes, we avoid cash transactions as well. Purchase or sale of assets. Okay, purchase or sale of assets only we will avoid. Purchase or sale of assets only. That's why we record only transactions, means credit transactions related to goods itself. Okay, and the fourth principle to follow, these are not rigid principles, or these are not by-hearted principles. Yes, just simple principles to follow. And the fourth one, if any discount is there, yes, calculate the discount, okay, and enter the remaining balance in the subsidiary book. Okay, these are the 4 simple principles to follow while preparing our subsidiary books. Okay, yes, I am going to give an example for this. Okay, now? Okay, here is the example question for subsidiary books to be prepared for 5 marks itself. Okay, prepare subsidiary books for the following. 2018 August 1st, purchased goods from Krishna for rupees 6,000. On August 4th, goods purchased from Mahesh for rupees 3,500. On 8th August, returned goods to Krishna for rupees 600. And on 13th, bought. Yes, here it is little bit confusion. Bought means also purchases. Bought goods from Naveen for rupees 2,000. And on 16th, goods returned to Mallesh for rupees 400. And purchased goods from Ravi for rupees 4,000. Okay, it is not Mallesh, it is Mahesh. Okay, right. So solution for this problem, right? Here it is. We may find that purchases, and we may find that returns. Returns to Krishna, returns to Mahesh means there is purchases book and purchase returns book. Yes, first of all, I am preparing purchases book. Purchases book. Purchases book. This is solution. Okay, and this is pro forma. The first column is date, and the second column particulars, and the third one JF number, and the fourth one invoice number, and next one amount rupees. So date column, particulars. So we can remove JF number, okay, by adding invoice number. So no need to write invoice number. Sorry, no need to write a JF number. We can avoid this. Okay, so there are date, particulars, invoice number, and amount rupees. 4 columns are there. In the first column, date column, we have to enter date 2018 August 1st. Okay, so very simple problem, right? There is no principles, okay, rigid principles to follow. What is to be debit, what is to be credit. Just we have to write the name of the person here. Yes, we are purchasing goods from Krishna, that is, yes, Krishna, and invoice number, it is serial number 1, and amounted for rupees 6,000. Okay, right. Second one, on 4th, goods purchased from Mahesh. Okay, August 4th, and the second name Mahesh, invoice number 2, and the amount is 3,500. On 8th, returned goods to Krishna. Yes, who is Krishna? Yes, we have purchased from him and we are returning goods. So that's why I am preparing the second book, purchased return books here. Purchases, returns book, which will also contains same columns. Okay, the first one date column, second one particulars, and third one invoice number, and fourth one amount rupees. Okay, so in the first column, okay, so coming to third transaction, on 8th August, returned goods to Krishna. Yes, we are returning goods to Krishna. That's why it has to be recorded in purchase returns book. So it is on 2018. Yes, August 8th. Yes, we are returning to Krishna. So that's why in particulars name column, just write Krishna name, and invoice number is 1, and amount is 600. So simple, children. Right. Second, next one, on 13th, bought goods from Naveen. Bought means also purchases. So that's why we have to record in this book. On 13th, Yes, we are purchasing goods from Naveen. Write the name of the person in the particulars column and give serial number 3 and the amount is 2000. Okay, so simple children. And next 16th goods returned to Mahesh. Returned means again it is purchase return book on 16th, so we are returning to Mahesh, so that's why write Mahesh name in particulars column, give serial number 2 in invoice number and amount is 400 in amount column. And next 22nd purchased goods from Ravi. Okay, so here it is 22nd we are purchasing goods from Ravi, so give the serial number 4 and amount is 4000. So simple children, right? Next total, just to total the amounts. Yes, here it is also total 0 0 5 4 plus 2 6 plus 3 9 plus 5, so it is 15,500 total, and here it is just 1000 total. Okay, so you will get 5 out of 5 for this problem. Yes, how is it? Very simple, no? Okay, so no need to follow any principles, just observe the transactions, read out the transactions for 2 times. Okay, whether there is a purchase of asset or whether there is a purchase with a discount, okay, or whether there is a cash purchase. Okay, so concentrate and practice these problems with very ease. Okay, right. Dear students, so here is the exercise number 2. Prepare subsidiary books for the following. Exercise number 2. So 2018 September 1 sold goods to Satyam rupees 2500. On 5th September sold goods to Ajay rupees 7200. On 8th September sold goods to Varun for rupees 2800. On 10th September Satya returned goods. We are not selling. Satya is returning goods for rupees 300. On 14th September sold goods to Akila 4000. On 16th September return inwards from Varun 200. On 25th September goods sold to Hartik for cash rupees 300. Yes, why I am stressing here? Okay, for cash itself, for cash. Okay, so let us remind our principles. We don't record cash transactions in subsidiary books, so that's why it is no need to record in our books. Okay, so let us go for the solution. First one, so as these are transactions having sales, that's why we have to prepare sales book, and having sales returns, so we have to prepare sales return books. The first transaction, coming to first transaction, 2018 September 1. So we sell goods to Satyam. So write Satyam name in particulars column, give serial number 1 in invoice number and 2500 in amount column, sorry. Next, sold goods to Ajay. This is second transaction, September 5th. Sold goods to Ajay. So write the Ajay name and the serial number 2 and amount at 7200 in amount column. Next, sold goods to Varun 2800 on 8th. So to Varun, write Varun name, give serial number 3 and amount is 2800. And next on 10th, Satya returned goods. Satya returned goods to us. So that's why record this in sales returns book. So it is 2018 September 10th. Who is returning? Satya. So just write the name of Satya here and give the invoice number as 1 and amount column just 300. Next, on 14 sold goods to Akila again. So 14, here it is Akila, serial number 4, and amount is just 4,000 rupees. And next, on 16th, return inwards from Varun. On 16th, yes, Varun returning goods to us. So that's the recorder in this book. Who is returning? Varun. So write the Varun, name of the Varun, and give the serial number 2, and amount column is 200. Sorry. Okay, so we have to avoid this transaction as it is cash transaction. So no need to write this. Okay, close the account here itself, and the total 008 plus 2 10 plus 5 15 is 5 7 7 plus 7 14 plus 2 16,500. Okay, next coming to next 300 plus 200 total 500. Write total here. Okay, this is the simple way to get 5 out of 5 marks from Subsidiary books. Okay, children. So this is the very simple learning process to prepare Subsidiary books. Right. Bye. We will meet in the next class.